Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Let's see how we can raise this $15 to let's say about $300. Okay, let's go. Well, I just closed my markets. Let's look at the market structure to give a good explanation. Now, overall, if you look at the market, it has been on a bearish trend, breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows, and if you look at the first shadow zone and the shadow zone close by, you see that we have what we call an head and shoulder pattern here, and head and shoulder sell pattern here, higher high, lower low. And I took my entry at that point because that place, you see, is a powerful sell zone. Yeah, so either that the price would break this first shadow zone and go upward, or it may just continue selling, going downwards. Okay, now this is the second entry. Okay, I've spot a good market here. This volatility 75 1x index, and remember that when we are drawing our trend line, it must have two touches. So let's draw our upper trend line first. Okay, make sure that they touch two major points, and our lower trend line. So we have something like it looks like a triangle, an ascending triangle. After drawing your trend line, you look inside the trend line if you can still draw other trend lines. Now, after drawing my trend line, I'm drawing another trend line, and we have a flag that broke up to the upside, and it returned back again. And now we have another flag, now a bullish flag. Now, if you take notes, the price is consolidating, and there's going to be a very massive break when it's done consolidating. Now, this shadow zone I marked there at the downside is called a rally-based rally. That's a powerful buy zone. Now, the price is going to push downward. It's going to push downward, and at least it will get to these shadow points here, and possibly it may even break the zone, going downward. So I'll open my sell position, and if you can see currently, this bullish flag, it has broken, and it's going to continue selling because it can't just surpass the supply zone at the top. So I open 5 position. You can see we have a base drop. So let's see, we'll make about something around $7 or close. Okay, let's see. Remember, please subscribe, like the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Okay, after some time, we are making $20. I'll close my profit. I wanted to get to 20 before I will close it. It must get to $20 before I will close it. Why am I closing? Because I'm scalping. When I come, if you watch my videos, I just scalp. I will come, I'll take from the market, and I'm out. So I'll come and just scalp. And as I said, finally it got to our demand zone. If you look at from the 15 minutes time frame here, we can see this base drop. So this are another reason why the price so downwards. Our base drop. Okay, after quite some time, it broke the demand zone. Just as I told you guys, that it may break the zone and continue going downward. You don't just buy because there's a demand zone. You would want to wait for a possible confirmation sign, maybe a bullish engulfing, which we don't have here from the 4 hours. Okay, now we'll look for another trade so that we can continue our journey. Okay, this is gold versus US dollar. Now, if you take note, our balance was about somewhere around 76. but it was 59. Now for this trade, um, well, we took some losses at first, so we are going to recover them. Yeah, you can see those 3 losses there. That was why the balance was down a little bit. Now for this, we are using what we call a supply um zone there. So I saw the cost of the supply, and this is another entry. Now if you look quite well, you'll be like, is this not a sell? Because it looks like a flag, right? It looks like a flag, like a bullish flag, go bearish. But look carefully, you can spot that here we have an head and shoulder pattern, a buy Cosmondo, higher high and your lower low. So that's why the price is not going to just wait to the downside. No, I've seen these patterns many times, and they will just, well, sometimes they will just go up and up. Now my expectation is that my trading expectation is that the price might possibly pull downwards again back into the trend line, hit this demand zone and continue going upwards, or it may just continue just going up all the way up. Wow. Okay, well, it has gone up. Well, you see that after some time it really went up. It's going to get to that supply zone at the top, and if you want to sell that, it's not wise. You have to wait for a good confirmation sign. And this jump 75. I hope you understand my reasons for entry. If you don't, you can just comment on the comment section. Now this market is on a very heavy downtrend, and there's a possibility that the price would buy. It's may buy, but because we have inside the trend line, we have something like a flag that possibly can break upside. But if you look again carefully, the market would not easily break going upwards. I mean, that's the top zone there. Okay, it's going to buy, and if it buy, I'm very sure it will get to this drop base rally and possibly go up again. So the market can just go up high above. It's retraced, but you're able to the account was able to hold back the drawdown. So please, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is on the description for your free signals. Okay guys, remember, like the video, subscribe, and please take your time, practice with the charts patterns. Just spend time with the markets and you become a very good trader. That's how you can excel in this space.